Hey John, so I'm gonna try and make this as simple as I possibly can. So when I go to my Google page, Google thingy over here, I'm gonna open up Google Chrome, and it's gonna give me all of my profiles: person one, Josh and Danny, Josh and Danny, Josh and Danny, whatever they are. But I'm now gonna click on this guy over here, and you see how I appear right over here on the top right corner. Uh, that means I'm in a logged in account. I'm then going to click on these nine dots and I'm going to scroll down to this Business Profile Manager. I am now going to click on it, and any GMBs, Google My Business Profiles, is going to be here. All status verified, Peralta, Josh and Danny, Eni Painting. And I just have to click on it to see your profile. Wrong thing. What? What? Ours, not anyone else's. Why does it matter? Okay. So this is ours. We're gonna stay away from them. But as you can see, we can edit everything. We can do pretty much whatever we want in here. So there's that, and that's all you have to do to find out. If you need, just go through each one of your profiles over here. So if you can't find in the first one, go to the second one, third one, and fourth one, and so on. Now, you may not have been the one to create it. It might have been the other guy. If he's the one who created it, you don't have access to it, and he can get you access by making you become a manager. So actually here, let me show you how that works in a second. So you can kind of like go into each one and you can kind of go and do that. If you want me to send you a video like that, just let me know. But like I would give that guy a chance for a second. By the way, it's not here, just I mean, just for fun, let me show you. It's not it's GMB, Google My Business Profile, or GMGBP, Google Business Profile. So this is what it's now called. There is no such thing as GMP. No such thing. I mean, it could be called Google Map Pack, but like no one's, it's not called that. So, I mean, maybe I don't know. To me, it's a little telling. But if you've only had him for a month, like honestly, if the GMB has been lost and it's like called out as duplicate, well, find out how it's duplicated. That's one. That's his job. Two is Google can do that. Like they're really annoying about the GBP lately because of how it's just very competitive. So just be aware, give him a shot, let him get it back. I mean, unless you're really frustrated with him, I mean, up to you. But we can talk more about this on Monday. Now, as far as your domain, I really don't think I can help you with that one because there's no way to uniquely search your email. What you can do is you can go to GoDaddy. Here, let me show you. GoDaddy. Uh, and this is the domain place we used for our thingy. And essentially, what's going to happen is it's going to say you can either log in, so I can log in if I want, and I know I used my email, whichever one I did. And then if you want, or you can just do this. And this is how I kind of know you're painting with a passion. I believe that's who you are. I don't remember, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's now going to look for it. And the only one available is info. And apparently there is a paintingwithapassion.com. It is taken. That could be yours. I can try and find it. There is a broker service fee. They're going to try and see how we still might be able to get it for you. And the interesting thing is how, well, you get a dedicated domain broker. The domain broker works a deal for you, and we transfer it to my account. But obviously we got to find out where it is. So there might be ways to find out where, but yeah, go through your emails, see if there's anything from any of the big people. You can even start Googling how to find my domain, stuff like that. But that's really all I got. But I hope I answered the GMB question or GBP question for you.